Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety and documentation your priority. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait so residual power dissipates. This prevents shorts. Once done, recover refrigerant with a certified machine because you must avoid venting and follow regulations. Next, relieve belt tension and remove the drive belt while marking its routing. Label electrical connectors and note bolt locations. These steps let you access the compressor cleanly and reduce reassembly errors. So take a moment to record clear photos for reference. You now remove the compressor itself methodically. Support the unit with a jack or hand so it doesn't damage hoses when you undo mounting bolts. This prevents sudden drops. Once freed, cap or plug the open AC lines immediately to prevent moisture and dirt ingress. Contamination ruins the system. Inspect and transfer required components like clutch, brackets, and new O-rings, because matching parts and fresh seals ensure proper fit and leak-free operation. Make sure torque specs and orientation match the old unit. You install the new compressor by aligning it, torquing mounting bolts to spec, and reconnecting electrical and clutch connections so function is restored. Next, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump to remove air and moisture. Aim for deep vacuum for 30 to 45 minutes so oil and refrigerant circulate correctly. Recharge the system with the specified refrigerant charge, then run the engine and cycle AC while checking pressures, listening for abnormal noise, and using soap or an electronic detector for leaks. If the compressor hums or pressures are off, recheck electrical wiring, clutch gap, and charge amount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.